It's Todd from 1000 Sun, where we craft cutting-edge user experiences for the manufacturing industry. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of your brand's identity, creating a unified visual language. Let's get into it. Imagine walking into a store where every aisle has a different style of signage. It'd be confusing, right? Well, that same principle applies to your brand. Without a unified visual language like consistent logos, color palettes, and typography, you risk losing trust and recognition. A cohesive identity communicates reliability, professionalism, and it makes your brand unforgettable. A unified visual language is the cornerstone to your brand's personality. It's more than just making things look nice. It's about weaving together the elements that tell your story, your logos, your colors, your typography, your imagery styles, into a seamless and memorable experience across all touchpoints. Now, consistency is more than just a design buzzword. It's a trust-building powerhouse. Research shows that consistent branding can increase revenue upwards of 23%. Why? People trust what feels familiar. By aligning your visual identity across all platforms, your website, your product packaging, even your internal communications, you create a sense of cohesion and authenticity that cannot be replaced. At 1000 Sun, we create unified visual languages tailored to your unique brand's personality. From designing impactful logos to picking perfect colors and typography, we ensure every detail aligns with your vision and speaks to your audience. Here's a quick tip. When developing your visual language, start with your why. Why does your brand exist? What values drive you? Let the answers to these questions guide your creative decisions. This will ensure that your imagery not only feels cohesive, but is meaningful. Ready to create a digital language that makes your brand unforgettable? Let's talk. Visit our website and learn how we can help you design experiences that stand out and connect. Thanks for watching.